Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are installing DeepSeek on Arch Linux. So as you can see, I am already in Linux. So now we just have to get started. It's a really simple process, and I'll just show you how to get it up and running. So we won't be going through any Docker stuff. So just get into the browser, go to the Ollama website. So this is what allows you to run any large language model locally on your system. Just go down the download button, and then you can see there is a Linux command. So it's a curl command, and you have to make sure curl is installed. So I'll just copy this one and then minimize it. So just type in this command for Arch Linux. So it's sudo pacman -s and then curl, and these are for other distributions if you are using any other distro. So then we can just clear it and then just paste in the command right there and then hit enter. So this will take a bit of time depending on your internet. So it will download everything necessary to install, and here it's done. Movie magic. So now that it's installed, we can get back to the website, and then we have to go to models. So depending on which model we want to run, we are obviously going for DeepSeek R1, but any other model works too if you want to run it. And then just copy this command right here. So this will download the 7 billion version. So if you don't have a GPU, I would not recommend it. You should go for the 1.5, but for this it will work. And then now if I run this, as you can see, it doesn't work. That's because we haven't enabled the services yet. We have to enable the Ollama service before we can actually run commands of it. So now we just have to type in sudo systemctl, and then I'll just remove this part and then just type in Ollama. So now we are doing a status check. So ctl status will give us the status of the service we are trying to run. As you can see, it's not active. You can see in the active status it says inactive. So now if I just change this to start, and then we just do -- now, which means we want to start it right now. So there we go. We'll just type it in, and now it has been enabled. Since we didn't get any error message, that means it is enabled. And then we can actually run this command right here, and then we just have to wait for it to download. It's a really large download. It's a 4 GB, and after it's downloaded, it will automatically start running. And this is the virtual machine that I'm running on, which is only using the CPU resources that I gave it. So it's not the fastest, but if you are using this on raw hardware, it will obviously run much better. And then as you can see, it is trying to give us a response, and it's really slow, but don't worry about it. If you just got the 1.5 version, again, if you don't have a GPU, then make sure you don't get the larger models. So 7 billion samples or 8, 10, 12, 16, whatever, don't get those. Just get the 1.5 billion if you want to just run and test it on your system. So as you can see, it did give us a response, so it is working. We can do /by. I didn't know why I Control-C out of habit. So now we can clear it, and that's about it. So if you want to run it again, you can type in this command again, but that's about it. That's how you install DeepSeek onto a Linux machine. And if you found this video helpful, then obviously subscribe and like the video. Also leave a comment on what distro you're using and which version are you on.